In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Google Calendar 2025 step by step. Start by opening your browser and heading to google.com. At the top right, click the Google Apps grid, the small 9-dot icon, and choose Calendar. This takes you into Google Calendar on the web, which is where all the filtering tools live. Google Calendar doesn't offer a single filter button, but it does give you a powerful search that works like a filter. Look along the top bar of the calendar page and you'll see the search field. This is your starting point. If you already know what you're looking for, type it directly into the search bar and press enter. You can enter an event name, a location like an address or meeting room, or a person's name to find events that include them. Use clear keywords and feel free to try variations. Calendar will match event titles, descriptions, locations, and guests. For more precise control, click the small arrow at the right side of the search bar to open the advanced search. Here you can narrow your results before you search, which is especially helpful if you have a busy schedule. First, choose where to search. You can search within your active calendars or across all calendars you have access to. Active calendars are the ones currently visible in your sidebar, while all calendars includes every calendar you own or subscribe to, even if it's temporarily hidden. Pick the option that matches how broad you want your results to be. Next, fill in the fields to refine your filter. In what, add keywords from the event title or description. In who, add a guest name to find events that person is invited to. In where, add a location such as an office, room, or city. You can also set a date or date range so your results focus on the time period you care about. When everything looks right, click search to apply your filters. Capitalization doesn't matter, and partial words often match, so don't worry about exact phrasing. If you manage many calendars, combining what with a specific who or a date range will dramatically cut down noise and surface just the events you care about. That's all there is to it. By using the search bar for quick queries or the drop down for detailed filtering, you can zero in on the exact meetings and events you need without scrolling through your entire calendar. Practice with a few different keywords and ranges so you get comfortable, and you'll save time every day. With these tools, you're effectively filtering your calendar even without a dedicated button.